That was a good team.
You had to do it, y'all were ready. That's trying to score.
We're going to get tackled. That's part of football. But we overcame all that. We kept playing hard. We kept going hard. We didn't give up. And we came out on top. And that's all that matters. I'm proud of you. Everybody, you paid attention tonight. Keep paying attention. That's the #1 rule, ain't it? It's to do what? To pay attention. I seen people tonight make plays that I knew you had it in you. I was just waiting on you to do it, and you showed up for one of our biggest games, and you made plays tonight in a big game for us tonight. Okay? Like I said, that's a good team. Look at that. That's a good team. We might